Australia aims to fully reopen its economy by July, and it plans to do it in 3 stages. But Prime Minister Scott Morrison says each state will set its own pace in easing coronavirus restrictions.
In this plan, we walk before we run. We know we need to be careful to preserve our gains, but we also know that if we wish to reclaim the ground that we have lost, we cannot be too timid. There will be risks, there will be challenges, there will be outbreaks, there will be more cases, there will be setbacks. Not everything will go to plan. There will be inconsistencies. States will and must move at their own pace and will cut and paste out of this plan to suit their local circumstances.
The first stage will see small cafes and restaurants reopen. Groups of 10 people will be allowed to gather. In the second and third stages, the cap for meetings will be increased. Restrictions on domestic travel will also be eased and eventually lifted. But there are no plans for international travel to resume.